You want to see?
There's no doubting what you've achieved on a technical. These are clearly
Oh,
state of
wait.
the art.
I
There are
can't.
just
Why is
certain
it starting?
design choices that we
Guys,
made
I can't. Oh God.
that we don't fully understand.
If I click out of it, it just stops
We were
talking.
hoping that you could shed some light on those.
It's.
She can dance. She can sing.
Why are you
She's
talking
equipped with a
now?
built-in helium tank for inflating balloons right at her fingertips. She can take song requests.
I can't show the
She can
screen.
even dispense
I
ice
can't
cream.
look how to break. Oh my God.
With all due respect,
It's just
those
showing
aren't
baby.
the design choices we were curious about, Mr. Afton.
I totally forgot that in this game I have to. I forgot! My rule for Five Nights at Freddy's was to always have the game showing immediately because it does things like that! Ah! I hate this. Oh, I'm under the desk. Oh God, I hate this. Oh God, I hate this. Just don't make eye contact. Oh God. Okay. No eye contact. No eye contact is being made. No eye contact is being made. None. None whatsoever. I would never make any eye contact. No. I won't make any eye contact. You cannot make me. I am really good at not looking people's eyeballs. Wah! When not needed. No. Okay. Gonna keep this closed. Shut up. No. Don't tink me. Don't tink me and I won't tink you. Go away. Just holding this. I'm just gonna hold this. I'm just going to hold this. You can't. No. 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 Ah! What am I supposed to do? Stop it! Stop! Stop! Stop your nonsense! Stop it! No! I have sticky hands, sweaty hands, but today they will be sticky. No! 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 Ah! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's so fine. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through Ballora Gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you and can only listen for your movement. When you hear her music become louder, wait and be still.
I am going to absolutely be terrible at this.
Ballora Gallery maintenance vent opened.
What if I just go fast? I don't believe you, baby! I didn't die. Let me turn it up. Hold on. I can't hear her. Why? Maybe over all my yelling and screaming, I can't. Oh, okay. I can hear her. Oh, I can hear her. Oh, I can hear you. I can hear her. Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm actually really scared. I don't like this. Ah! No! No! I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm a big baby. Ah! I this wasn't till like the third night or something. I didn't know this was now. Why did it stop flickering? Why did it stop flickering? Okay, no, there it is. Okay, this is what's happened.
It seems you are taking a long time. Please proceed as quickly and as quietly as possible.
Oh my god, that was loud. Okay, I have this really cranked up high. I don't like this. I'm gonna die. 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 Two. Fuck! Oh my god.
Congrats. My favorite coffee-loving masochist.
Oh my god, I flung my headphones off. Hold on. Oh my god, thank you. I appreciate it. But also, oh my god. Oh, that scared me so bad. I hate that. Okay. Yeah, right? I don't hear her anymore. But I'm not gonna make a run for it. Did nobody else see that? Did nobody else see that? Did nobody else just see that? So I just saw doll legs. That's her! Oh, I hate this. Oh, I hate this. I hate this so much. I hate this. This is the part I hate the most. Because now I know what the next part is. And I don't want to do this part. Because I remember it. And I don't want to. Is it going to make me have to come back again through this? Is it? Oh my god, I'm actually so terrified. I hate this. I hate this so bad. It's been too long again since I played a horror game. If you count Pacific Drive, but even then, it's not that scary anymore. Besides the stupid mannequin things. Oh my god, my throat's gonna. My voice is gonna die. I'm gonna be so dead at the end of this. Okay. I wanted to play Five Nights at Freddy's game, and it was the next one on our list. And I really like Sister Location because I like all the lore and all that and the different mechanics to it. But I also forgot how absolute terrifying this is. I'm hiding behind my microphone. I'm scared. I'm hiding behind it because I'm scared. I don't remember how to do this next part is the thing. Oh my god. Every step I take, I'm scared. How much closer do I need to be to the door to get in it? Oh, was her just now? Was it? I cannot tell. I cannot tell as we keep getting closer to this door and I keep hearing the other sound, so I can't tell. You guys could be lying and I don't know. The door's right there! Just let me in! It was nice knowing you. What do you mean? What do you mean? Why are you talking like I'm gonna die? Why? How much closer do I have to be to this door? Just let me in! I'm right here! Ah! Ah!
Trigger breaker.
You may now interface with the breaker control box. If you feel you are in danger, feel free to disconnect the interface temporarily
What is happening?
until it is safe to reconnect.
What is happening? What is happening? Oh my god, I don't remember this. Oh my god, I do not remember this. Frick. I do not remember this at all. Oh frick! Oh frick!
It's bedtime. Let's go back to our stage. Calm down. I think it was just a mouse.
Okay! No! No! I was so close! Damn it! No, where are you gonna put me? Where are you gonna put me? Please don't make me go back to Ballora. Please!
You will now be required to crawl through the Ballora gallery using the vent to your left to reach the breaker room. It is recommended that you stay low to the ground and reach the other side as fast as possible as to not disturb Ballora. I will deactivate myself momentarily as to not create an auditory disturbance. Deactivating.
I don't want to go through Ballora again! Also, hello, welcome everybody else who has joined in. I'm sorry, I'm being the biggest baby possible right now. And now I have to go through Ballora again! I don't want to go through Ballora again! No! God, I don't want to do a Ballora again. I don't want to do her. Oh, I hate that part.
Power gallery maintenance vent opened.
It seems you are taking a long time. Please proceed as quickly and as quietly as possible.
Oh! What? Why? Why?
Musical notes emoji, boo. I scared you, boo. Nanny poo, musical notes emoji, ghost emoji.
Oh my god, that, oh my god. Oh my, I should have a heart monitor on. I should have a heart monitor on. I don't have one of those watches that, like the smart watches and all that check my heartbeat. But I can feel it. I can feel it pumping so bad. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know how that got me twice. Both things. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know. Thank you. Please, can you stop? Please, fucking. I'm going to break my arm. I'm going to break my arm. My arm is my arm. My arm.
I'm helping.
Don't you know? That took a while for. Oh. I don't know how many times I keep throwing my arm back. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Motion trigger breaker room.
Okay.
You may now interface with the breaker control box. Using the interface may disrupt nearby electronics. If you feel you are in danger, feel free to disconnect the interface
I can't use it
temporarily
yet.
until it is safe
I've
to
made a
reconnect.
mistake.
Down and go back to sleep. No one is here.
Oh, frick, I have to do this again? Oh, sorry. Sheesh, that was a pain. God, do I seriously? Okay. Everybody, yell at me if not, okay? If I'm in danger. Frank! Why? 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 Why?
Congratulations once again.
Thank you. But also, I
Is someone there?
No!
I can hear someone creeping through my room.
No! Just the roaches, not me. Mommy, please don't hurt me.
Perhaps not.
No. You stay where you are and I will stay where I am. And my home is a vent. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry. That scared me. I had that really cranked up so I could hear. Oh my god. What am I doing? Oh, here.
Funtime Auditorium maintenance vent opened.
Unlike Ballora, Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room dark, as to not accidentally activate her. You have been provided with a flash beacon. Use it if you need to get your bearings and to ensure you don't bump into anything.
What happens if I run? What happens? I can't see anything! I'm sorry! What? Huh? I have an idea. Let's test how many times I can flash this. Was that a Foxy? Hey guys, I think I know what Foxy looks like now. So, if I step forward, am I gonna die? Guys, I'm scared. Hold me. Hold my hand. Hold my hand, please. Hold my hand. Hold the sweaty hand. Look! Alright, it's not my fault my hands are sweaty. Okay? This is hand holding moment, everybody. Alright, everybody, come here. Everybody hold each other's hands, alright? My hand's so sticky. Look! I'm scared. I'm not moving. I don't know what that sound was. That wasn't just a thingy. Something else made a sound. I don't know what that was. I'm not moving. I don't know what that was. Maybe not. Right? Right? You guys are holding my hand, right? Right? You guys are holding me through this, right? I think there was something just now. No! Okay, we won't move. We're just gonna stay really still, and we'll be fine. Everything's gonna be okay. Because if I what? Is that one up to my right? I think there was one to my right. Oh god, I think there was one to my right. I think I saw something to my right. I swear I saw something to my right. Unless that was just a flash and that was the light. Maybe it was. Maybe it wasn't. Because what doesn't help is that Funtime Freddy is also, or Foxy is also white and pink. So I don't know if I just saw that or if it was just a light. I'm so tired. I'm so worn out, actually. God. I am so tired. I destroyed myself. Am I getting any progress? I don't know. No. They're really hard. I don't know what's in this next room. I don't know what's in this next room. Please, is it another Funtime Freddy? Because I swear if it's Funtime Freddy, I'm going to grab his bonbon and just start whacking it against the floor. That sounded very wrong. I just realized. Oh.
Wouldn't it be funny if this happened?
I just spit everywhere. I spit everywhere because of that. Why you do this to me? I appreciate it, but also why? God, I don't know what this minigame is gonna be. That's what I'm dreading. I'm dreading that we're finally gonna make it across, but then I'm gonna die because I don't remember what this one is. And then I have to do it all over again. And I don't wanna do it all over again. Oh.
Motion trigger, parts and service.
Hello?
Great
Hello?
job
Hello?
reaching parts and service. Locate the small button on Freddy's face, just under his right cheek, and press it.
His right or my right? I swear to God. His right or my right? I swear if I die.
Great. Now locate the button under his left cheek and press it.
What did he say? What did he say? What did...
Great. Now carefully locate and press the button next to Freddy's right eye.
Where? Oh.
Great. Now carefully locate and press the button just above Freddy's nose. Good job. The faceplates should now be open. Locate and press the small button on the underside of Freddy's endoskeleton jaw.
What button? What? I don't know what button he's talking about. I'm gonna die. I don't know what button. I don't see a button. What? Are these buttons? This is his endoskeleton. This is the jaw. What small button? Is that it? I'm gonna hope that's it.
Excellent. The chest cavity should now be open. Remove the power module from the chest cavity. Great work. You will now be required to remove the secondary power module from the Bonnie hand puppet. Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
What am I supposed to click? What am I supposed to click? How do I get his bow tie?
Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
I don't understand. Oh, fuck. I don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing. I can't get his bow tie. He's hidden.
Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
Damn it, I don't... Am I supposed to wait for him or something? Damn it! No! Frick!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, God. I can't. Well, time for me to go down here.
Frontline auditorium maintenance vent opened.
My throat hurts from the screaming. It's scary. I think that was him. How much further? Let me in! Like, I wonder, how close am I to death? And also, how close am I not to death? Also, I saw that. I saw the Steam notification show up. I saw it. You think you could scare me? No, I saw it on my screen. That noise didn't get me that time. Want to scare me? You have to pay money. I'm kidding. To do it. You guys don't have the guts to. You guys could never scare me. You guys care about me too much. You don't want to see my poor little heart give out. You guys want to show me some mercy. I'm already going through this for all of you. Get everyone hyped up for the movie. I was about to flash, and I thought Foxy got me. I was about to flash. I was like, oh no, I flashed too much. Oh my god, that got me so bad. Okay.
Good job.
Oh,
The
God.
faceplates should now be open.
Oh god, I was just choked on my own tongue. Oh, I didn't realize I had my mouth open. Ah, why? Where was he? No! Where was he? Oh, fuck, why this? Oh god, are we doing this now? What am I doing? Shift. And then, what am I doing for that? Way to do this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Good job. The faceplates should now be open.
I don't know where he is. Oh my god, I seriously don't know where he is. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. I don't know. What? No! I just barely saw you there! Oh, god dang it. Damn it! So map. Boy, how am I supposed to know which side he's at?
Great job. You've acquired
Did I
both
get it?
power modules. This completes your tasks for the night. Please exit the building through Funtime Auditorium, and we'll see you back here again tomorrow.
Did I get it? Oh no, I don't want to go through this again! No! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die by this. I'm gonna get killed. I'm going to die! I'm going to die, and there's nothing that's going to happen. I'm just... Please. Just let me through. Please. I can't tell. I'm just barely tapping W because I can't get this. Can you hear him walking? You guys can hear him? I can't tell which one's him and which one's not him. I don't want to die. I don't even know how I got that Bonnie done, if I'm going to be honest. I swear I misclicked. I swear I hit his stomach instead. I don't think I hit his button until like after like 50 other clicks. I'm like nowhere near it. This is the longer I wait, the more this is like killing me. Was that him? I don't know. Ah! Okay, I moved a little bit more. We're getting closer. I'm holding W, right? Okay, yeah. It's funny this entire time I've been clicking a different button. Oh, that would be good. That would be great. That would be absolutely hilarious. Real close to it. Ah! See, that's the thing. Like, I hear certain noises, and I can't tell. But I'm sure it's different ones, but I just can't tell which one's which. Okay, I'm gonna flash. Ah! No!
Daddy,
No! Wait.
She can make balloons.
Wait, what?
Have you seen her make balloons? Oh, Daddy, let me go to her.
What? What? What?
Shh, be still and quiet. You've been sleeping for quite a while. I think they noticed that you never left the building last night. The cameras were searching for you, but they couldn't find you. I have you hidden too well. I kidnapped you.
Oh! I totally forgot about that. This entire time I was screaming my head off and it was just... Oh my god. I forgot. Oh god,
You're in the
wait. I
scooping
remember
room.
this.
Do you know why they call it the scooping room?
I'll let her
It's
talk.
because, dummy, this is the room where they use the scooper.
Did you just call me a dummy?
I thought that would be obvious.
I am Big Baby, thank you. Yeah. Fucking God! Bro! God!
I'll open the faceplates for you.
Why?
That way they can find you on the cameras. Now all you have to do is wait.
Okay, no. I'm gonna let them be. I'm gonna die. I'm not doing this right now. God, I am not doing this right now. No. I'm taking a breather. Go ahead, kill me. Thank you. Oh my god. I'll do this another day. Right now I'm tired. I'm so dead. I'm so tired. My head hurts. Everything hurts. Everything is dying. Okay, it's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's 100% fine. I won't say anything. Everything's great. Everything's 100% great. I'm not dying.